Hello, and welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy to see you here today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about something very useful. We will learn idioms and phrases in English. Don't worry, we will keep it simple and easy.
Hi, Anna. I've heard these words before, but I always feel confused. What is an idiom and what is a phrase?
That's a great question, Mike. Let's start simple. A phrase is just a group of words we use together. It has a clear and simple meaning.
So, a phrase is just normal English?
Yes, you can say that. For example, in a hurry or on time. These are phrases. The meaning is clear.
Okay, I think I understand that.
Now, an idiom is different. An idiom has a special meaning. The words do not mean what they say.
That sounds confusing already.
It can be at first, but don't worry. For example, if I say piece of cake, I do not mean real cake. I mean something is very easy.
Oh, so the words are not real. The meaning is different.
Yes, that's right. Idioms are like hidden meanings.
Okay, phrases are simple and clear. Idioms are not clear. Is that correct?
That's a very good way to think about it. Phrases are easier. Idioms need practice.
I think I like phrases more.
That's perfect, because today we will start with phrases, easy and useful.
Good. I feel more relaxed now.
Great. So remember, a phrase is a group of words with a simple meaning. An idiom has a special meaning that is different from the words.
Okay, I will try to remember that.
And don't worry if you forget. We will practice together.
Thank you, Anna. I feel ready now.
Now, let's start with some simple phrases you can use every day.
Okay, I'm ready.
The first phrase is in a hurry. Listen carefully. In a hurry.
In a hurry. What does that mean?
It means you do not have much time. You need to go fast.
Ah, like when I wake up late.
Yes, perfect example. You can say, I am in a hurry.
I am in a hurry. I like this one.
Good. Let's say it again. In a hurry.
In a hurry.
Great. Now, the next phrase is on time.
On time. I think I know this.
Tell me.
It means not late.
Yes, very good. On time means you are not late. You arrive at the correct time.
So I can say, I came on time.
Yes, that is correct. Or the train is on time.
Okay, that is easy.
Good. Let's repeat it. On time.
On time.
Now, the next phrase is for now.
For now. I'm not sure.
It means something is true only at this moment. Maybe it will change later.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I am busy for now. That means I am busy at this moment, but maybe later I am free.
Oh, I see. Not forever, just now.
Yes, just now. Say it with me. For now.
For now.
Great. Now, the last phrase is a lot of.
I think I know this one.
Go ahead.
It means many?
Yes, very good. It means many or a large amount.
So I can say, I have a lot of work.
Perfect. That is a very natural sentence.
I think I use this already.
That's great. Let's repeat it again. A lot of.
A lot of.
Now, let's try a quick practice. I will say a situation and you use the phrase.
Okay, I will try.
You are late and you need to go fast.
I am in a hurry.
Good. You arrive at the correct time.
I am on time.
Perfect. You are busy at this moment.
I am busy for now.
Excellent. You have many things to do.
I have a lot of work.
Very nice, Mike. You are doing really well.
Thank you. These phrases feel easy.
Now, let's learn some more useful phrases for real life.
Okay, I'm ready again.
The first phrase is at the end of the day.
That sounds long.
Yes, but the meaning is simple. It means finally, or when everything is finished.
Can you give an example?
Sure, at the end of the day, I am happy. That means finally, after everything, I feel happy.
Oh, so it is like the final result?
Yes, very good. Let's repeat it. At the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
Good. Now, the next phrase is as soon as possible.
I hear this a lot.
Yes, it is very common. It means quickly, without delay.
So if my boss says this, I need to work fast.
Yes, very fast. For example, please call me as soon as possible.
Okay, I understand. Let's say it again. As soon as possible.
Good job. Now, the next phrase is by the way.
I hear this in conversations.
Yes, we use by the way when we want to add new information.
Like changing the topic?
Yes, a small change. For example, by the way, I saw your friend yesterday.
Oh, so it is like extra information.
Exactly. Say it with me. By the way.
By the way.
Great. Now, the last phrase is in my opinion.
I think I know this.
Tell me.
It means what I think?
Yes, perfect. It is your personal idea. For example, in my opinion, this movie is good.
Okay, I like this one.
Let's repeat it. In my opinion.
In my opinion.
Now, let's practice again. I will give you situations.
Okay.
You want to say your final thought.
At the end of the day, I am tired.
Very good. You want someone to do something quickly.
Please help me as soon as possible.
Excellent. You want to add something new.
By the way, I forgot my bag.
Perfect. You want to share your idea.
In my opinion, this lesson is easy.
That's great to hear. I feel more confident now, but I need more practice. Great job so far, Mike. You are doing really well with phrases.
Thank you, Anna. I feel more comfortable now, but I'm a little scared about idioms.
That's okay. Many learners feel the same, but we will go slowly, very simple.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now we move to idioms. Remember, idioms are different from phrases.
Yes, phrases are clear. Idioms are not clear.
Correct. The meaning is not the same as the words. Let's start with our first idiom, piece of cake.
Piece of cake. So this means cake?
No, this does not mean real cake.
Oh, okay.
Piece of cake means something is very easy.
Very easy?
Yes. For example, this test is a piece of cake.
So the test is easy.
Exactly. Let's repeat it. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Good. Again, piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Now you try a sentence.
This lesson is a piece of cake.
Very good. That's a perfect sentence. But Anna, why cake? Good question. We don't think about the words. We only learn the meaning.
Okay, I will try not to think too much.
That's the right way. Now let's learn the next idiom, break the ice.
Break the ice. Like ice in water?
No, not real ice.
Again, not real?
Yes, again, not real. Break the ice means to start a conversation, to make people feel comfortable.
Oh, like when people are shy?
Yes, perfect. For example, he told a joke to break the ice.
So the joke helps people feel relaxed.
Exactly. Let's repeat it. Break the ice.
Break the ice.
Again.
Break the ice.
Now you try.
I say hello to break the ice.
That's very good. Simple and correct. I think I understand, but I need practice. That's normal. Let's do a quick practice.
Okay.
If something is very easy, what do you say?
Piece of cake.
Good. If you want to make people feel comfortable at the start,
Break the ice.
excellent, Mike. You are learning fast. I feel better now. Idioms are not so scary. Now let's learn some more everyday idioms.
Okay, I'm ready again.
The first one is under the weather.
Under the weather. This sounds strange.
Yes, it sounds strange, but the meaning is simple. It means you feel sick.
Sick? Really?
Yes. For example, I feel under the weather today.
So, I feel a little sick.
Exactly. Let's repeat it. Under the weather.
Under the weather.
Again.
Under the weather.
Now you try a sentence.
I am under the weather today.
Very good. That's correct. But why weather? We don't focus on the words. Just remember the meaning.
Okay, I will remember.
Good. Now the next idiom is miss the boat.
Miss the boat? Like a real boat?
No, not a real boat.
Of course, not real again.
Yes, miss the boat means you are too late. You lost a chance.
Oh, that makes sense.
For example, I missed the boat. I did not apply for the job.
So the chance is gone.
Yes, exactly. Let's repeat it. Miss the boat.
Miss the boat.
Again.
Miss the boat.
Now you try.
I missed the boat for the class.
That's good, but better to say I missed the class or I missed the chance. Still, you understand the idea.
Okay, I see.
Now, the last idiom is call it a day. It means to stop working, to finish for the day.
Oh, I like this one.
For example, I am tired. Let's call it a day.
So we stop working.
Yes. Let's repeat it. Call it a day.
Call it a day.
Again.
Call it a day.
Now you try.
I am tired. I call it a day.
Good, but better to say, let's call it a day.
Okay, let's call it a day.
Perfect.
I really like this idiom.
Good. Now let's do a quick review.
Okay,
If you feel sick,
under the weather.
if you are too late and lose a chance,
Miss the boat.
if you want to stop working.
Call it a day.
Excellent, Mike. You are doing an amazing job.
Thank you, but I think I need more practice to remember all of them.
You are doing really well, Mike. Now let's learn some fun idioms.
Fun idioms? Okay, I like fun.
Good. These idioms sound funny, but the meanings are simple. Let's start with spill the beans.
Spill the beans. Like food?
No, not real beans.
Of course, not real again.
Yes, spill the beans means to tell a secret.
Oh, tell a secret.
For example, he spilled the beans about the surprise.
So he told the secret.
Exactly. Let's repeat it. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
Again.
Spill the beans.
Now you try a sentence.
I spilled the beans to my friend.
Very good. That is correct.
I like this one.
Good. Now the next idiom is let the cat out of the bag.
That sounds very funny.
Yes, it does. But the meaning is similar. It also means to tell a secret.
Wait, same meaning?
Yes, very close. For example, she let the cat out of the bag about the party.
So she told the secret.
Exactly. Let's repeat it. Let the cat out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Again.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Now you try.
I let the cat out of the bag.
Good. That's correct.
Why do we have two idioms for the same thing?
English has many expressions. You will hear both.
Okay, I will try to remember both.
Good. Now the last idiom is cost an arm and a leg.
That sounds scary.
Yes, but don't worry, it does not mean real body parts.
Okay.
It means something is very expensive.
Oh, very expensive.
For example, this phone costs an arm and a leg.
So the phone is very expensive.
Yes. Let's repeat it. Cost an arm and a leg.
Cost an arm and a leg.
Again.
Cost an arm and a leg.
Now you try a sentence.
This car costs an arm and a leg.
Perfect. That is a very natural sentence.
These idioms are funny but useful.
Yes, and you are learning them well. Now let's practice everything together. We will use phrases and idioms in a real conversation.
Okay, I will try my best.
Good. Imagine you are talking to a friend about your day.
Okay.
Start.
Today I am in a hurry because I have a lot of work.
Very good. Continue.
I want to finish my work as soon as possible.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
But at the end of the day, I feel tired.
Perfect use. Keep going.
By the way, I spilled the beans about a surprise.
Good, but say, I spilled the beans about the surprise.
Okay, I spilled the beans about the surprise.
Much better.
My friend was not happy. In my opinion, it was a mistake.
Very nice. That is clear and correct.
Then I tried to break the ice with a joke.
Great. That is a very good use of break the ice.
But the joke was not a piece of cake. It was hard.
Careful. Piece of cake means easy, so you can say, the joke was not a piece of cake.
Oh yes, the joke was not a piece of cake.
Good. Correction.
Also, I feel under the weather today.
That's perfect.
And I missed the boat on one project.
Very good. That means you lost a chance.
Yes, so now I want to call it a day.
Excellent, Mike. That was a full and natural conversation.
Really? I made many mistakes.
That's okay. Mistakes help you learn. You used many phrases and idioms correctly.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. Practice a little every day.
I will, but I still need more practice to remember everything.
You did a great job today, Mike. Now let's do a quick review together.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's start with phrases. First one, in a hurry. What does it mean?
It means I don't have much time. I need to go fast.
Perfect. Can you use it in a sentence?
Yes, I am in a hurry because I have a meeting.
Very good. Now the next phrase, as soon as possible.
That means quickly, without delay.
Excellent. Your sentence?
Please call me as soon as possible.
Great job. Now one more. In my opinion.
That means what I think.
Yes, go ahead.
In my opinion, this lesson is very helpful.
That's wonderful to hear.
These phrases feel easy now.
That's the idea. Now let's review some idioms.
Okay, I'll try.
First idiom, piece of cake.
That means something is very easy.
Good. Your sentence?
This exercise is a piece of cake.
Perfect. Now the next one, under the weather.
That means I feel sick.
Yes. Your sentence?
I am under the weather today.
Very nice. And one more, spill the beans.
That means to tell a secret.
Exactly. Your sentence?
I spilled the beans about the party.
Great job, Mike. You remembered very well.
I'm surprised. I didn't think I could remember all this.
You see, step by step you can learn. Just keep practicing.
Yes, I will practice every day.
That's the best way. Use these phrases and idioms in your daily life. Speak, repeat, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
I will. Mistakes are okay, right?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the better you become.
Thank you, Anna. This lesson was really helpful.
You're welcome. Keep going, stay consistent, and enjoy learning English.
I will. See you next time.